Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the ultimate destination for everything fast, fierce, and flawlessly designed. Today, buckle up because we're diving into something truly mind-blowing, the brand new 2026 Ferrari F80. Ferrari has just dropped the next-generation beast, and it's sending shockwaves through the automotive world. This isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is officially here, packing an unbelievable 1,050 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,050 horses of pure Italian fury. Ferrari has taken the word performance and redefined it completely. Powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 combined with advanced electric boost, the F80 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an insane 2.0 seconds flat, making it one of the fastest street-legal Ferraris ever built. Its top speed, a jaw-dropping 250 miles per hour. That's not just fast, it's illegally fast. The exterior design is pure art. Every curve, every vent, and every edge screams aerodynamics. Ferrari has introduced a new generation of its aerodynamic body structure called BB Design, a blend of bold beauty and intelligent airflow. The smooth yet aggressive front end is paired with ultra-thin LED laser lights, a wider stance, and an adaptive rear spoiler that adjusts on the fly for maximum stability. New colors include Nero Tempesta, Rosso Evoluzione, and Bianco Scuderia, each giving the F80 its unique personality under any light. Step inside, and it feels like entering the cockpit of a jet. The interior is a masterpiece of technology and luxury combined. Ferrari's latest digital cockpit wraps around the driver, featuring dual 15-inch curved displays with haptic feedback, carbon fiber sports seats wrapped in Italian Alcantara, and customizable ambient lighting that reacts to your driving mode. From comfort to insane track mode, the F80 transforms itself with the push of a button. Ferrari has also worked hard on making the drive smoother and smarter. The new adaptive suspension system reads the road 100 times per second to deliver perfect balance between comfort and performance. The steering is now fully electronic with variable feedback that changes based on speed and cornering force. The hybrid system not only adds power but also improves efficiency, giving you up to 35 miles of electric-only range for city driving. And when it comes to the price, this masterpiece of engineering starts at around $500,000, with the top-spec versions expected to cross $650,000 depending on customization. Only 500 units will be produced globally, making it an instant collector's dream and one of the most exclusive Ferraris ever made. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a bold declaration of speed, innovation, and Italian perfection. It's smoother, faster, and smarter than anything in its class, easily claiming the title of King of Midsize Performance. So, what do you think of the new Ferrari F80? Is this the future of supercars or pure insanity on four wheels? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Ride Reviews, and turn on notifications for more jaw-dropping car reveals and reviews. This is Ride Reviews, bringing you the latest, fastest, and most electrifying rides on the planet. Stay tuned. The next revolution on wheels is always closer than you think.